Claim, did central government increase retirement age to 62 years? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. A viral post in all Indian languages is being shared with a claim that the Union Cabinet has approved an increase in the retirement age of central government employees from 60 years to 62. The claim said the retirement age increased by 2 years, as approved by the Cabinet. रिटायरमेंट एज इंक्रीज 2024 रिटायरमेंट आयु में 2 वर्ष की बढ़ोतरी, कैबिनेट बैठक में मिली मंजूरी. The same has been shared here with its impact on young job seekers in the country. Translated from Hindi, it reads, it is believed that increasing the retirement age by 2 years will benefit millions of employees. But what about us youth who are already unemployed? It will have a bad effect on them. Already the recruitments are negligible. Due to this, new recruitments will also reduce for 2 years. There will also be delay in promotions for the rest of the existing employees. It has been shared here and here. Fact check. Truth, misleading. PIB of Government of India clarified that there was no such proposal and the claim is false. Fact check details. A search for any announcement from the Government of India in recent days yielded no results since the Government of India has not issued any statement or announcement in this regard. Since the issue bears impact on lakhs of central government employees in terms increased period to continue in job or decline in promotional avenues, it would have made headlines in news outlets. But no such announcement has been made. Further search revealed that the Press Information Bureau, PIB, of the Government of India has clarified that the government has not made any such decision to raise the retirement age of central government employees. Further search revealed that in August 2023, the government confirmed in the Lok Sabha that there was no such proposal under its consideration to increase the retirement age of central government employees, barring exceptions which are considered on case-by-case basis. Claim, the Union Cabinet has approved proposal to increase the retirement age of central government employees from 60 years to 62. Conclusion, misleading. PIB of Government of India clarified that there was no such proposal and the claim is false. Rating, misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit I India.